Hello dear students, welcome again to my class. I am also with the students of class 9 and 10, and today we are going to learn a technique. In your exam hall, how can you answer this question? And it is, I think, that very important, and it's a burning question today. And me, Nazmun Nahar Poly from Fatima High School, Khulna, is welcoming you to my class. Okay, let's start. First number. Do you know what are our basic things? Our basic needs. First number. Yes, the food. Second number, cloth. Third number, the shelter. Next number, the education. Next number, the health. And the last number, can you guess what is the last number? Sixth number? Yes, entertainment. Entertainment. So these are our basic needs. And the first number food, second number cloth, next number shelter, next number education, next number health, and the last number entertainment. And can you guess which thing give us all these things? Okay, what is this? Yes, thank you. We get food from trees, we get cloth from trees, we get shelter from trees, we get education from trees. That means the educational items, purposes, educational instruments, book, pencil, etc., etc. Next number, health, and the last number, entertainment. So now, can you guess what are you going to learn about? Yes, tree plantation. And you can also name it afforestation. We are familiar with the word deforestation, but we can also write afforestation. Clear? Now we are going to read about and learn about tree plantation. And we know that in our exam hall we have to write many kinds of things. Sometimes we have to answer the questions in a paragraph, because in our paragraph you have to answer these questions from your memory, maybe something, or extra from your extra knowledge. Clear? Next number, then you have to answer this question. Sometimes we don't know the answer of the questions, but if you know the basic things about anything, then you can write all the things. Okay, now let's start. First number, look at the whiteboard please. There are some questions, and the first number question is, maybe this question will be in your question paper, maybe, I don't know, but this is maybe question setter may set this question. The first number question is, what is the necessity of tree plantation? Next number, how do trees help us? Next number, what is the time for the tree plantation? Next number, why should we plant more trees? Last number, how does a country become a desert? And the question setter may be set any kind of questions with up and down. Clear? But now we are going to read about the basic things. So first number, what is tree plantation? Do you know? Yes, we know that planting trees more and more, planting saplings, planting seedlings more and more is tree plantation. If you just only plant a tree in your garden, this is not a tree plantation. Clear? So we can say that tree plantation is very essential for any kind of country. You will be glad to know that in every country there are 20% forest is needed. In Bangladesh, just only in papers we have 20%, but it is brutally true that we have just only 16% forest, and some people are just cutting the trees. But if you cut one tree, you know that you have to plant 3 trees. Cut 1 tree, plant 3 trees. Thank you. Next number, you have to know that there are 3 types of plants, and the first number is wood tree. Second number, fruit tree, and the last number, medicinal tree. We know that we get wood from tree, the tree which is very thick, and timber, we get timber from tree. So these trees are wood tree, shal, shegun, gorjon, sundari. Oh, okay. So these are the timber tree, and we get timber and wood from this tree. So these trees are called wood tree. Second number, we also get fruits from the trees. So jackfruit, mango, guava, pineapple is a tree, but we can't use the timber of the tree, but it's a fruit tree. Clear? So all the types of fruit trees are included in fruit tree. Next number, medicinal trees. Sometimes we use the medicinal trees and they are used in medicine. Unani herbs, and they are very eco-balancing. We also use them in our printing, in our painting, in our block batik. Clear? And the color also. So they are the 3 types of trees. Next number, what are the necessity of tree? You will know that we have to need tree from our cradle to the grave. Am I right? Let's check. When you are a child, you also sleep in your cot or cradle, and this cradle is made of wood. So you start your life with wood. Second number, when you grown up, then you use paper, pencil, you sit on the bench, you made the furniture. You can make a business of wood, wooden furniture. Okay. Next number, you can also have the business of herbs. Next number, you can also have your entertainment. That means if you are very bored, your eyesight is getting poor, low, then you can have a look in the green nature, though it will make your heart full with green. Clear? Next number, you can also getting older, then you have to use a stick, and it is made of wood. And the last number, when you are in the grave or you are in a coffin, and the coffin is also made of wood. So we can say that a person from cradle to the grave, tree is his best friend. Next number, what is the time for planting trees? If you think that, oh, teacher says that planting trees is very necessary, then you just plant the trees in the winter. Is winter the right season to plant trees? No. If you plant the trees in the rainy season, you don't need to water any plants. It will grow vibrantly without watering them. And we know that rainwater has nitrogen, and nitrogen is very essential for the tree. And the tree grow faster and faster if you plant trees. What are the places to plant the trees? You can't plant the trees in your yard, in your room, on your reading table. So there are some places to plant trees, and these are the places. You can plant the trees beside the river. Okay, you can also plant trees beside the road. You can also plant the trees around your home. You can also plant the trees around the market, around the bazaar, around the river bank. And you know that river erosion nowadays is a great problem. And for this reason, the river erosion makes people homeless, helpless. If you plant tree beside the river, then it will hold the soil, and it will stop the river erosion. Clear? So it is essential to plant trees. Next number, if you want to get the rain, we know that this in our classrooms, in our science class, we know that the sun rays on the river, then the vapor grow, then it come here and there. If there are more trees, when the vapor come here, the oxygen will make it heavier, and then the cloud makes the rain. Clear? So if you want to get more rain, then you have to plant trees. And the first number, we inhale oxygen. Okay, look at me. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. Oxygen, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is very harmful for our body. Okay, but on the other hand, trees inhale the carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. So there is an interchange between man and the tree. So we can say that tree is our best friend. Next number, if any country says that no problem, we don't care about tree plantation, then it will become a desert. If the country become a desert, then the ecological balance will be broke, and after broken the ecological balance, we will get the carbon dioxide in huge amount, and that will make the whole world warmer. And when it will grow warmer, this is called the greenhouse effect, and greenhouse effect is very bad for the whole globe, because we have just only one earth to live, all the people all over the world, not only in Bangladesh. So be careful about planting trees, and if you want to, or if we want to harmony with the nature and to make or have to eco balance with the environment, if we want to stop the pollution, then we have to plant trees. So after that, we will be able to know that what are the answers. Okay, we get the answer, that means what is the necessity of tree plantation. Next number, we got that what do trees do to us. Next number, what time is for tree plantation. Next number, what should we plant more trees. And the last number, what a country, why, how does a country become desert. Just only cutting trees without planting trees, the country will become a desert. Allah. But you will be amazed to know that people write the demerits and the disadvantages of tree plantation or deforestation on paper by cutting wood, because we know that paper is made of wood, and we know that there are various type of usefulness of paper, and we write it sitting down on benches. So man write about deforestation sitting on a bench which is made of tree, writing on a paper which is also from a tree, and write with a pencil which is from a also tree. Clear? This is not the joke. So this is our tree plantation and or afforestation, and if we don't ever by day, our Bangladesh will be treeless, and this is very alarming for not only men, the animals, the creatures, and the eco-balancing system. So that's all for today. Now this is time for homework, and your homework is write a paragraph on deforestation. Clear? We have learnt about the tree plantation or afforestation, and now you have to write a paragraph on deforestation, and as usual you have to write in one para. And that's all for today. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.